So now we're going to discuss about exporting the video. So once you have the entire timeline ready, go to File, go to Export, go to Media, and here you get this user interface. In the output name, just select the output name and say this is Marine Lines Walk. Just write whatever name, click Save, and then go to presets. And there are already a lot of presets available for 3GP, for Android phone, for tablet, as well as HD 1080p 25 frames, or YouTube 720p, YouTube 1080p. So if you want to export it for YouTube 1080p, you can just select this and just click on export. And if you check this use maximum render quality, you will get a higher quality video, though it may take a longer time to render. And once you're done with it, you just select an output. Say you want to have a YouTube 720p HD video, and once you have selected that, just click on the export button and it will render your file and you'll get the final video.